Hello everyone, welcome to Master J Skills. Today we will see how to set the environment variables, that is Java path. So why these environment variables are required? So environment variables provides a good way to store the system wide values. So Java home and path are variables to enable your operating system to find the required Java program utilities. So how we can see this with an example? I will just open an command prompt. So here I will write a simple program class demo public static void main string args println welcome to Java world. So this is a sample program. I'm saving it into some location called Master J Skills. I'm giving this name as demo.java. So I'll save in this location. So this Java file is ready and I will go to this location and I'll go to the command prompt. So you know that this is already we have installed the Java into our system in the last video. So the file should execute as Java is in the our systems. I'm giving Java C to compile our file demo.java, which is a file name. See, still it is telling Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. So this is outside of our Java files. So this is this location. I can show you this location in some other folder, and if I go to this particular Java where we have installed as in another path. So our file is outside of a Java, so it will not execute. But if we copy and paste that particular file in this bin folder, it will execute, but this is not recommended. So for this one, we will set the environment variables. For that, right click on the My Computers, Properties. So you will see this Advanced System Settings. Click on it and you will see this environment variables, and you will see these user variables and system variables. For that, I'll just go to this folder, JDK folder. I'm just taking this path, just copy this path, Java path, and into the system variables, create a new variable. Give the name of a variable as Java underscore home, and paste the path in the Java variables variable value. Just click on the OK, and you can see the Java home is created here. The task is not over yet. We have to go to the path, find the path in the system variable itself, click on the path, select the path and click on edit. Okay, just go to the end of the value, and just you can give either, you can completely paste that, or it is recommended to use like this: module Java hyphen home /bin. So just click on just click on OK. And click on OK, and you can click on OK. Path is set successfully. So now I will go to the command prompt, and again we will see Java hyphen version version is Java 8, and I will just check whether the path is set or not. Echo you can just give Java underscore home. Click on this. You can see the path is set successfully. Now we will try to execute our program, which is there in the, I'll just go to this master J skills. I'll just type cmd in the path. So we are in the master J skills itself. So I'll just click Java C demo.java. The response error we were getting is gone. After setting the path, that response is gone. Our Java class is compiled successfully. You can see demo.class is generated in the same path. Now we will execute our Java file. Demo Java demo. So welcome to Java world. So our program is executed successfully. This is why we are setting the environment variables. Irrespective of the location of our Java files, it will execute. That's all for the today's video. If you have any doubts, please drop in the comment box. I am happy to answer all of you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.